Did you know that one of Earth's most unique ecological transformations is happening right now in Southeast Asia's Kra Isthmus, where desert-like conditions are emerging in what should be a tropical paradise? The Kra Isthmus, a narrow land bridge connecting two massive peninsulas in Southeast Asia, has traditionally been home to lush coastal vegetation that thrives in seasonal flooding. These remarkable plants evolved over thousands of years to handle the rhythm of monsoon waters. However, scientists have recently discovered something extraordinary happening here. The local ecosystem is experiencing unexpected desertification, a process typically associated with places like the Sahara. Geobotanists studying the region have uncovered fascinating evidence of this transformation. Native flood-resistant plants are gradually being replaced by species more commonly found in arid environments. This shift isn't just about different plants taking root. It's a warning sign of larger environmental changes. The most startling discovery is that some areas previously submerged during monsoon seasons now remain dry year-round, forcing the ecosystem to adapt at an unprecedented rate. As these changes continue, researchers are racing to understand how this unusual desertification might reshape one of Southeast Asia's most crucial land connections. What other surprising ecological transformations might we discover as climate patterns continue to shift? Share your thoughts below. Did you know that beneath Western Europe lies a hidden world where rocks literally melt away to create some of Earth's most fascinating ecosystems? Watch how nature crafts these underground marvels. Deep beneath our feet, a dramatic transformation is constantly taking place. When rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide from the air, it becomes slightly acidic. This acidic water seeps into limestone rocks, slowly dissolving the calcium carbonate and carving out vast networks of caves over thousands of years. As these underground chambers grow, they become home to remarkable life forms uniquely adapted to life in darkness. These caves aren't just empty spaces, they're bustling with invisible life. Specialized bacteria and fungi colonize the cave walls, breaking down organic matter that trickles in from above. This decomposition process creates a delicate food web that supports larger cave-dwelling creatures, from blind salamanders to rare species of bats. The limestone dissolving process continues to shape these caves, creating stunning formations like stalactites and stalagmites that grow just a few centimeters every 100 years. What's truly remarkable is how this simple chemical reaction between rainwater and rock has created some of Europe's most complex ecological systems. These caves are living laboratories, showcasing nature's incredible ability to create life in the most unexpected places. What undiscovered species do you think might be lurking in these dark cave systems? Share your theories below. Did you know that 20,000 years ago, you could walk from Korea to Japan? During the last ice age, these lands weren't the separate territories we know today. They were connected by vast grassland steppes, creating a natural bridge between cultures. Picture this: massive glaciers locked away so much water that sea levels were about 120 meters lower than today. This exposed a sweeping plain scientists call the Korean-Japanese land bridge. Ancient hunters could track mammoth herds across these steppes, moving freely between what would later become separate nations. Archaeological evidence shows shared stone tools and similar cultural artifacts from this period, suggesting extensive human movement across this prehistoric highway. But tectonic forces and rising seas had other plans. As Earth warmed and ice melted, ocean waters gradually submerged this ancient connection. Today, these same geological processes continue shaping the region, creating one of Earth's most tectonically active zones. The subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath Japan triggers frequent earthquakes and volcanic activity, while rising sea levels increasingly threaten coastal communities. Modern geophysical studies reveal that these lands are still moving. Japan shifts a few centimeters closer to Korea each year, while the sea between them grows deeper and more treacherous. The ancient land bridge may be gone, but its legacy lives on in shared DNA between Japanese and Korean populations. What other ancient landscapes lie hidden beneath our oceans, waiting to be discovered? Did you know that a single waterway controls the destiny of countless marine species? The Bosporus Strait, nature's own biological gateway, holds secrets that will blow your mind. Picture this: a massive underwater highway where the Mediterranean and Black Seas meet, creating one of Earth's most fascinating ecological boundaries. As saltier Mediterranean waters flow northward beneath the surface, lighter Black Sea waters journey south above, forming a complex dance of currents that shapes life itself. This unique phenomenon creates distinct layers of water with different salinity levels, forcing marine life to adapt or perish. Every year, countless species navigate these challenging waters, making the Bosporus their temporary home or permanent residence. Some fish species have evolved remarkable adaptations to handle the dramatic shift from 35% salinity in Mediterranean waters to just 17% in the Black Sea. This natural laboratory showcases evolution in action, as species either develop tolerance to changing conditions or restrict themselves to specific zones where conditions match their needs. The Strait's influence extends beyond its waters, affecting migration patterns of marine life throughout the entire Caucasus region. Ancient species continue to adapt to these dynamic conditions, while new ones arrive, creating an ever-evolving tapestry of biodiversity. What undiscovered species might be evolving in this unique marine crossroads right now? Did you know that the Caucasus region sits on a geological time bomb where two ancient seas meet? Between the Black and Caspian Seas lies a fascinating natural laboratory of volcanic activity and mysterious crater lakes. This narrow strip of land, known as an isthmus, is one of Earth's most active geological regions. Here, powerful forces beneath the surface create a dangerous dance of seismic activity and volcanic unrest. Scientists studying the area have discovered that these volcanic processes directly influence nearby crater lakes, creating unique chemical signatures in their waters. Through careful monitoring of these lakes, researchers can detect early warning signs of impending geological events. The Caucasus serves as a perfect example of how different Earth systems interconnect. When volcanic activity intensifies, it affects everything from groundwater chemistry to local earthquake patterns. These crater lakes act like nature's own monitoring stations, with their changing compositions telling stories of what's happening deep underground. Recent studies have shown that even subtle changes in lake water chemistry can signal upcoming seismic events days or weeks in advance. As researchers continue to unravel the complex relationship between volcanic activity and crater lakes in this region, they're getting closer to developing better early warning systems for natural disasters. But one question remains, can these lakes help us predict the next major geological event in the Caucasus?